deal. Which I still follow. Pokemon are still inspired by you.
Oh yeah?
Of course.
Then who's this?
I really don't want to get involved in this. He's just a friend.
Oh, just a friend?
So one Pokemon's not based on an animal or mineral or whatever.
What about him?
What about me? Don't yell at him. He's sensitive.
You're defending trash.
That trash has feelings.
And what about Swordman over there?
I think I'm actually pretty cool.
You are, but my point still stands.
Look, I love you and will always be inspired by you.
Oh yeah? Like when you made Seal? So inspired.
I'm Gen 1. Why are we bringing me up now?
And what about Flamigo?
Oh, why am I getting called out?
You're literally just a flamingo without an N.
It's a play on words. Same with that guy.
Leave me out of this. I'm adorable.
Lechon in Spanish is suckling pig. It matches the region. There are still layers to these decisions.
Well, thanks to those decisions, his name is now French for the chomp.
You love it. I do, but I'm still mad.